Here it is. I rebuilt that transmitter on the prototype board. Tried some different coils, inductors. I took some parts out of the oscillator board. There's only 3 parts on it now. Doing a few tests. It's drawing 1 amp on 13 volts. I got this big capacitor while I do some tests. But here's the waveforms. Let's turn this light off. There we go. The top waveform, the sine wave, almost sine wave. That's the output waveform across 50 ohms. And then the bottom waveform is the voltage waveform on the drain of the FET. So, into here, I got 12 watts. That's what I was shooting for. 12 watts of power. So yeah, with this Class E, let me see, I'll screw it up. You don't tune for the output, you tune for a good waveform at the drain. Good loading. See there, that mess up the output waveform. Let me tune it. There. About like that. You need your drain waveform to have that slope like that. That's Class E. It's kind of experimental. People are doing it. You gotta do it just right and it runs nice and cool.